And yeah, we're going to hear about the company's AR micro displays and OLED technology and the future roadmap and current status
Yeah,
with a focus on low power consumption. So you can begin, Eric.
yes. So just a word on the company. So we created the company back in 2007. So almost 17 years ago. We are about 100 people. We are based in Grenoble, in France, and we have a historical collaboration with the CLAT and the Fraunhofer. We are working together, and we invested quite a lot of of money in the OLED micro display. And we manufacture OLED micro display in France, and we serve different market, security, sport optics, industry, and consumer application as well. Um, just a word on OLED microdisplay. So OLED microdisplays is now the mainstream technology for everything which is viewfinder. If you look at the digital camera, viewfinder for professional cameras as well, and viewfinders, in sport optics or defense and security, most of these products are using OLED micro display. There's still a few LCD or LCOS, for some application, but let's say OLED became, the mainstream for everything which is a viewfinder application. And what we can see, especially in the defense and security market, is that augmented reality is already existing. All the new project for soldier equipment, these are see-through optics, where you were using OLED micro display, and so most of the new, laser rangefinder, optical sight, or binoculars are see-through optics and using OLED micro display. As of today, mostly in single color or bicolor, but that will be moving to multicolor in the future. But this is already, the only, let's say, augmented reality market which is really developing in large volume. But what about augmented reality for consumer applications? So of course, we all know about the Google Glass, 10 years ago with LCOS, some product from Xiaomi with LED. Well, it's not augmented reality, but let's say mixed reality with Vision Pro. I mean, our product from Active Look that we introduced a few years ago. So we don't know yet, what will be the technology and what will be the market. And especially at the moment, you have a let's say a market segmentation between the large field of view, high resolution products such as the Vision Pro, which was introduced by Apple this year, or very what we call light AR type of product where you have really very simple glasses with some information. And maybe in between there is another market, but for both this market, we consider that power consumption is a key issue to develop that market. It's quite obvious if you want to go to the light AR because the weight for normal glasses is very low. And it's the same issue if you go to very large field of view because you have mini pixel, you have a high resolution, and so you cannot package everything. And for instance, if you look at the Apple Vision Pro, the battery is on the pack, is not included in directly in the eyewear. So power consumption is really the key issue. And especially if you look at the light AR market, one of the main issues that a normal pair of glasses is about 25 grams. And here I'm showing you, the distribution of one of the large eyewear manufacturer, about more than 2,000 SKUs. And you see that after 38 grams or let's say 40 grams, you don't have any glasses anymore because it's simply too heavy. So it means that between 25 grams, which is the average weight of a normal glasses, if you want to make augmented reality glasses, your budget for the weight is maybe 10 to 15 gram maximum. And it needs to include the display, the optics, the electronics, and the battery. This is something that we achieve, with Active Look, where we integrated everything, including the plastic, in less than 10 gram, and you see that the display is 0.2 gram, the electronics battery is about 3 gram, and altogether